maximizing efficiency with your S13 Wearable Breast Pump. Getting started with your S13 Breast Pump. Battery indicator. Red light indicates low battery or charging status. Green light signifies a full charge. Detailed setup guide for your S13 Breast Pump. 1. Silicone diaphragm. Start by placing the silicone diaphragm into the three-way flange. It's important to make sure it clicks into place or feels firmly secured. This step is crucial for the pump's performance as it helps create a proper vacuum. 2. Valve attachment. Next, attach the valve to the same three-way flange. There's a specific way to do this for it to work correctly, so looking at the assembly video can provide visual guidance to ensure you're aligning everything just right. 3. Flange and container connection. Now, take the flange assembly, which includes the diaphragm and valve you just attached, and connect it to the container. It should fit into a designated slot on the container. Make sure this connection is tight and secure to prevent any leaks during use. 4. Silicone breast shield. Insert the silicone breast shield into the flange. There are grooves on both the shield and the flange that need to align. Once aligned, press the edges of the shield to ensure it's fully sealed. This part is important for your comfort and the efficiency of milk extraction. 5. Pump motor unit. Lastly, attach the pump motor unit to the rest of the assembled parts. This is the brain of the pump, so ensuring a secure and correct connection is essential for the pump to operate effectively. Optimizing your pumping sessions. Customizing settings on the S13 motor unit. Hold the button for power on/off. Press briefly to switch modes. Offers breast pumping and massage modes, each with 5 adjustable intensity levels. The S13 Wearable Breast Pump is engineered for effortless operation, promoting both your well-being and safety during use. Memory function. Seamlessly recalls your last use settings for straightforward operation, reactivating the pump according to your previous session's preferences. Safety auto shutdown. For added safety, the S13 automatically powers down after 30 minutes of use in pumping mode, ensuring both efficiency and ease of mind during use. Should you need assistance or have questions about your S13 breast pump, don't hesitate to reach out to TPH Technology. Our dedication is to your contentment and the exceptional performance of our products. We appreciate your choice in the S13.